Hi guys, welcome back to JJ and Maddie's World. Today we're going to be opening these Disney Nano pods. 2 are opened already. We got them and we're going to unbox them. So come on and let's go and do that. Let's start opening them. We're going to open one first. Okay, so let's see what we got. While she's opening that, this is what they have. They have Mickey, Mulan, a fish, Buzz, Simba, another fish. I believe that's Rapunzel. I can't really see. Stitch, Belle, Ariel, and Olaf. And she's going to be opening that in just a second. But this is the box. It has the Disney. It has the 3+ on it. All of this, 12 characters to collect. We don't have all 12. But we got a few. We got 2 of them. We got duplicates. Nano pods, Disney. Right here, it's kind of hard to see because it blends in with the box. But I can see it. I don't know if you guys can see it. It's the Disney 100 Years. And now we got the box opened. Time for the reveal. And it's Buzz. Yeah, so let's get him out. I don't know if they come out, do they? I don't think so. So we would be taking a look at him. So we got Buzz. That's really it for now. That's what we got out of Buzz. So I think the things are supposed to clamp together somehow. Like in a certain way. We'll show you that in a minute, guys. Now we got our next box. Okay, guys, we're opening the next box, and let's see who we got. We got Rapunzel. Or that might be Aurora, but we think that's Rapunzel because of all the hair. And now we're going to be opening our next box. How many do we have so far? We got 4. 1. We got Buzz, we got Mimo, and we got Rapunzel. So let's see which other ones we need to get. Where's our next box? So these are the ones we got while she's getting the box opened. Got this. Time for the reveal. And we got another princess. We got Belle. They're all like really hard. If you want to play with them as toys, I don't think they're coming out unless you actually rip them out. But we got our nanopod thing together right now. This is a pretty nice unboxing as our first unboxing video. Time for the next. Another Belle. She looks exactly the same as our other Belle. We got, I believe, 2 more to open. Time for the reveal. We got Mickey. Mickey is gonna go at the top because you know he's like the main Disney character. I'm gonna open one now. Let's see who we got. We've got Mulan. So I think that's all the boxes we have for today, guys. But until next time, we got a little list real quick of all the ones. That'd be cool if we got this ultra rare Mickey Mouse. So this is the list of all of them, I think. So some of the other ones. Kind of a little Disney thing. Oh, I didn't notice that there was Stitch. But if we scan this thing, I wonder where it will take us. But until next time, guys, have a great day. Remember to please like and subscribe to JJ and Maddie's World if you haven't already. Bye. Thanks for watching.